Hey there, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of working on the OBS Gasser. We're going to get the radius arm bushings changed out, put in a spacer for the shocks so they quit blowing out. This truck does have lifted coils, so it does sit a little bit more level, so we're not going to have to put in that spacer kit. So this is the shock I pulled off. I'm pretty sure it's no good. Alright, so we got her back together. Got the new shocks. The new radius bushings are done. Nice and new. Both sides. You got the spacer there so the shocks won't keep blowing out from the lift springs. There's our new air filter, looking nice, a lot better than the old dingy one. Still need to clean this engine bay quite a bit, but we'll get to that next. So while we were at Shell getting the exhaust hangers done in the last video, we also did the transmission flush on that just to make sure it was all good. So I'll throw in some clips of that right here. So there you have it. Today we're done with working on the OBS Gasser. We did get all that stuff done, and I appreciate you guys tuning in today. If you like this video, make sure to give it that thumbs up, and don't forget to go down and click that subscribe button. Stay tuned for upcoming videos.